Luxury skincare worth getting this Christmas. And if your partner is sitting next to you, make sure to turn the volume up on this one. This is going to flow as if it's a morning routine. SK2 Essence. This one is expensive. I am never going to pay my own money for this essence, but if someone gives it to me, then I'm using this baby every single day. It's just something you want to proudly have on your vanity. Husbands, it makes you look good. So think of the SK2 as like the Chanel of the world, right? But if that's too expensive, you could also get the Tatcha essence. It's also very, very lovely. Think of this essence as like the Jacquemus of the skincare world. On to serums. This serum from Is Clinical, it doesn't have that fancy packaging. It's not going to look pretty on your vanity, but this is a serum that I would gladly pay my money for because it is that good. It brightens your skin, it hydrates your skin, it helps with discoloration, it just evens out your entire skin tone. So worth it. And it's going to make your girlfriend look so pretty. That one was more of a treatment serum, but if you want something that feels more luxurious and you can do your wash off facial exercises, get the Lancome Genifique. It's a classic. Another Jacquemus equivalent in the serum category is the Côte Vino Perfect. I have emptied so many bottles of this. It is great to even out texture, and it also works really, really good, especially under makeup in the morning. If you can't get your lady a Dior bag, then at least get her a Dior eye cream. I mean, this stuff is ergonomic. You can bend it and it's going to really help depuff and help with dark circles. Look at how lovely this glides onto the skin. And lastly, you need something to seal all that goodness up. So I'm recommending the SkinCeuticals Triple Lipid Cream. People think of SkinCeuticals, they think of the sea ferulic, but if you have the budget, I'm recommending you get this one instead because this one also smells like old pickles. You don't want to smell that when you go and kiss her. One last thing, may I suggest a boob cream to help massage your décolleté area. I'm sure it's a win-win gift.
Did you say boob cream?